22-hour odyssey begins very shortly, a little under 15 minutes, south 800 miles to San Francisco, so I cannot wait. Here I am in the car 1132 and my roomette is upstairs, so let's go and have a look where that is. On board the famous coast Starlight, well on my way south to San Francisco on my 22-hour journey. I'm in my cozy cabin, a roomette as it's known. It's on the first floor. 3 cars down that way is the parlor car, that's a restaurant car, and then 6 cars further back from that is an observation car. Now this roomette accommodates 2, but irrespective if you booked it for 1 or 2, you get the place to yourself, so no need to worry about sharing with someone you don't know. There's everything I could possibly need to survive a 22-hour journey by train. Comfortable pillows, the bed is above me, which the attendant will convert. I'm not short of options for food either, so there's a restaurant car and a cafe. So really, all that remains for me to do is sit back and enjoy the ride. It seemed there was a freight train passing us every few minutes, and they are long. Faced with a choice of train, plane or automobile to get from Seattle down to San Francisco, the train wins hands down. Look at this, isn't this the most civilized way to travel 800 miles south down the west coast of the United States? Burger for lunch, iced tea and glorious scenery. And during one of our numerous stops on this ride, well, there were some fascinating things going on, including the replacement of some railway sleepers. Well, I've now arrived in Portland, Oregon, a city I've been curious about for years. The state itself, I'm told, is an outdoor lover's paradise. But if first impressions are anything to go by, the station isn't impressing me, I have to say. But I'm sure the city's great. And of course, the state of Oregon is probably going to be a lovely place to visit. But for now, I've only got 10 minutes here in Portland. So honestly, can I actually say I've visited Portland, Oregon? And as the day wore on and the mist began to fall, this was my cue to start thinking about dinner and then bed. And after a surprisingly good night's sleep, the train was still rattling south as I woke up to a beautiful sunrise passing through the Sacramento Valley. And after 22 hours, some good food, great company and fantastic views, my journey was nearly over. All that remained was a bus across to San Francisco.